Hi, this is Ur speaking from the YouTube channel Similar Simulation Tips for CAD Users. In the next 5 to 10 minutes, I'd like to show you how you can save time in PTC Creo Simulate solution. This is a FEM solution by exchanging the pre-installed templates. Let's go for Creo Parametric. In Creo Parametric here, I'm right now in Creo Simulate. I set up an analysis here with some loads, and I can, let's say, check here the analysis, which is completed. And here I have the capability to show the results by using the default template. The pre-installed template includes these three windows, and in my opinion, they are not efficient, those three windows. So I'd like to show you how you can create easily your own template, your own windows, and replace, let's say, the pre-installed template in the installation directory. So let's create a new visualization of that analysis. I call it here maybe a disp any, and I want to have, let's say, here a my model, just the displacement shown by the shaded surfaces and with an animation, and in the background there should be the overlaid on deformed shape. I hit the OK and Show button, and I see here right now that behavior. That's quite interesting for me, this visualization. I'm creating the next one by opening again here. I call it, maybe this is B, this maybe fringe. So I want to create a fringe plot of the displacement, and I want to see that displacement on the deformed shape here. Okay, that's the next thing here. I can use, let's say, the next or copy environment here. I copy this window. I define a new name. This is maybe C, stress font misers, and this is also in fringe format. Okay, and on the quantity, I'm just changing for stress, and I'm getting here the von Miser stress. I hit the OK and Show button, and I can see the stresses here. I activate that window. I'm copying that window, defining a new name, D underline stress, maybe max principal stress, that's a tangent stress, and I want to also see a fringe plot of that one. Just changing here to max principal, and I hit the OK and Show button. And these four windows I want to see always when I'm using my default template. Therefore, I have to know where these default templates are. I'm now displaying an Explorer here on the left side of my working directory, and here on the right side of my Creo parametric installation directory. Right now I have Creo 4, and you will find those templates in this subfolder here of your installation directory. So go here for these result templates, and you'll find here a template result window template with extension RWT, and this one is the result window template for my static analysis. Okay, I copied this name, and now I will save these four windows in a template with the same name by saving that one, a backup, and I'm choosing the option here, RWT, simulate result templates, and I'm giving a name for that guy here. Okay, I'm going to save that one in That window I can choose, do I want to include here the title? I don't want to have this title. I don't want to have the units and so on, because this should be, let's say, a template for all my static analysis. I hit the OK button, and when we are going back for our Explorer windows, okay, on the left-hand side, this is my working directory, therefore my template was stored here. I just can I copy this over to my installation directory. Of course, I want to replace it. And when I'm going now back for my, let's say, I'm going out of post-processing of Creo Simulate. I don't want to save this displays, this Windows. Then I just can hit the same button as before. And I'm going for my default templates. My now replaced template in the installation directory shows me my predefined windows, and with that tip you can save a lot of time. So that was already all of this tip and trick session, and I would like to invite you to subscribe for my YouTube channel here, similar simulation trips and CAD users. And if you have any further questions, you can also contact me here under this email address. So have fun with Creo Simulate.